Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lorena Castro and today we're gonna do from curly hair to a nice smart casual blow dry. So let's watch it. This is my hair air dry. So I'm gonna apply some anti-frizz spray. So we're gonna brush through. The hair is brushed. Lovely. We're gonna do a blow dry, like straight and wavy, like smart casual. We're gonna do a section on the bottom around 4 centimeters. So now I'm gonna smooth a little bit the root and middle length, and in the end I'm just gonna twist a little bit, no, to achieve that smart casual look we're looking at. Hair dryer, brush. Let's begin. So now I have smooth just a little bit the roots and the middle, and the end still like frizzy and ugly. So now I'm going to twist and wave a little bit the end. Watch it. Okay, so we have what we want. So I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna bring down another section. So another section to blow dry. Okay, so smooth the roots, wave the ends. It's really important to follow all the steps and do all the sections, because if you just do the top and the sides, what can happen as soon as you step out of the house, your hair can be so frizzy just like this. Let's achieve these smooth wavy ends that we're doing today. Let's do this side. So what I'm doing is I put the brush just right here. I bring the end up and then down, and then I dry, and then I turn the brush and I dry, and what we get, a beautiful wavy. I know you guys ask me always about the back, how I do the back. Okay, so the way I do the back, I grab the section, which is this one. I put the brush just on the top of the section and then bring the hair all the way around to the brush, and then I will give some heat on the root area going down. Okay, so once we pull the hair and dry a little bit of the root area, we will put the brush just down. And we will bring the brush up at the same time as the hair dryer. This is the back. That one side always is easier than the other side. Always. One side is easy to turn, to go down, perfect and easy. The other side, you don't know how to do it, right? Okay, so for me, this side is really easy with the brush. I turn it and I turn it and down. Lovely, easy, simple, beautiful. Then it comes this side. Okay, so what I do, I put the brush kind of the same way, right? I go down and then I turn it like that, and then go down and turn it like that, and then go down. Okay? And it's more or less the same result as this side. Let's do now the lovely top and the back. Okay. I'm gonna do first the fringe area as my front section. Brush it down. And what I'm gonna do first is smooth the root area all forward, and then after I'm gonna do the ends, and if we want volume, I will bring it all backwards, or I will just bring it flat to the sides. So I smoothed out already the root area and middle, and I'm gonna wave a little bit these beautiful ends. And we will do the same technique as well. Just grab the section, put the brush here, turn once, and try it. Front done, and I'm gonna do now the back. I have so much hair on the top, so much, so I probably need to divide it into two. Okay, so one of back is. Let's do the last section. Yay! Okay, blow dry finish. One more thing that I have to say is the people like me that have curly hair or frizzy hair, very important to do the roots. The roots in the middle in my hair are the most curly and frizzy. So if I just do the ends and I forget about the roots, it will look beautiful, like I said before, 2 minutes. As soon as I step out of the house, it will be a mess, okay? So, as important as is the ends to look beautiful, to look wavy, the roots and the middle ends are super important too, okay? So, blow dry done, wavy a little bit in the end. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, it looks smooth, 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 a little bit wavy, and a little bit wavy here too. Okay, so I'm going to apply a little bit of serum. I use now this Olaplex number 7 that I have. I like to use serum after my blow dry because it kind of feels like it would help to last longer and it will look smoother and shinier and nicer. So that's why always I like to apply some serum in my middle ends, just like that. Also, I had some questions about these flyaways we always have on the top areas. So always I recommend, once you apply the serum everywhere, like I did just now, the little bit you have left in your hand, just put a tiny bit on that section. Don't go like and put it too much, otherwise it's gonna get greasy. But yeah, hair done. This is smart casual, from curly to bouncy. Sad that it's a lockdown and I cannot go anywhere, but I can still have a nice glass of wine in my living room with my boyfriend. And perfect. Oh, that looks awful. The hair is brushed. Lovely. At the same time, then the hair dryer. At the same time, the hair dryer. Okay. Impressionable. To a snack. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.